Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. Commencing of the third phase of the Back to Village program across Jammu and Kashmir is a perfect way to honor Mahatma Gandhi on his birth anniversary. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha said on the occasion on Friday. An apostle of peace and social service, Gandhi's contribution to the freedom struggle and promoting the rights and welfare of the oppressed sections of the society have unending imprints on the world history and would continue to inspire the generations to come, Sinha said. Back to Village is a novel initiative launched in Jammu and Kashmir to take the governance to grassroots level. The senior officials are deputed to village level for a few days where they get first-hand account of development needs of these areas so that projects and plans can be formulated for easing the hardships of the people. Locals raised patriotic slogans as the body of the rifleman Shubham Sharma, who lost his life in a ceasefire violation by Pakistan along the line of control in the Nogam sector of Kupwara district on Thursday, reached his residence in Araspura, Jammu on Friday. His brother said that like his brother, he too would like to join the army. To commemorate the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation, the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha today administered the Swachhata pledge to the officers, officials and staff members of the Raj Bhavan and the Civil Secretariat. Advisor to the Lieutenant Governor, Chief Secretary, Financial Commissioners, Administrative Secretaries, Head of Departments and other senior officers, officials and staff members participated in the Swachhata pledge taking ceremony at Raj Bhavan and Civil Secretariat. The pledge is a resolve of the J&K government to cherish and revigorate the ideals propounded by the father of the nation, one of which was his love and emphasis on cleanliness, Swachhata.
That is 2 hours per week to voluntarily work for cleanliness. I will neither litter nor let others litter. I will initiate.
As always, hybrid flowers from different countries will be imported to decorate Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan during Navratras in Trikuta Hills of Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. The Navratras will begin from October 17th and all arrangements are being reviewed especially in view of COVID-19. This year also, fresh flowers of hybrid will be imported from Sri Lanka, Australia, New Zealand, Canada and Britain. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has said that Mahatma Gandhi would have been the happiest man today with the new farm reforms passed by the centre, as the issue of agriculture and rural prosperity was very close to his heart. He said that the village and farm-centric vision of Bapu was truly addressed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the new agricultural laws after 70 years of independence.
वो इसी में झलकता था जब आपने सबसे ये कहा कि आप इस प्रकार ताली बजाइए। ये लगभग 5000 कैपेसिटी का हॉल अगर मयंक अग्रवाल जी लाइव चला रहे होंगे तो लोग सोचेंगे कि ये क्लैपिंग का इफेक्ट आया है पीछे से।
Seeking regularization of the serving daily wages before fresh recruitment in all the departments and implementation of Minimum Wage Act, Jammu and Kashmir Casual Labour United Front sat on a one-day hunger strike to press for their demands. Talking to media persons, the front leaders highlighted the grievances and demands of the casual workers who have been serving various departments since years but not getting even regular wages. Paying homage to father of nation Mahatma Gandhi on his 151st birth anniversary, Pradesh Congress on Friday said that philosophy of Gandhiji is more relevant today during the politics of hate and vendetta in the country. Congress celebrated 151st birth anniversary of father of nation Mahatma Gandhi today at Gandhi Chowk, Satwari, in which most of the senior leaders of PCC, District Congress Committee and frontal organizations of the party attended. Floral tributes were also paid to former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri on his birth anniversary. J&K BJP also paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, on his 151st birth anniversary. They also paid homage to former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri on his birth anniversary. Army on Friday paid tributes to 2 soldiers who were martyred in Pakistani firing along the line of control in Kupwara district of Jammu and Kashmir. The army paid a befitting tribute to Havildar Kuldeep Singh and rifleman Shubham Sharma, who made the supreme sacrifice on Thursday in North Kashmir. In a solemn ceremony at Badami Bagh Cantonment, Srinagar, Chinar Corps Commander Lieutenant General B.S. Raju and all ranks paid homage to the brave hearts on behalf of the proud nation. Commandant Rahul Mathur, who was injured in an anti-terror operation a few days back, will be back in the field soon to again neutralize terrorists. Central Reserve Police Force Director General A.P. Maheshwari on Friday said that Rahul is recovering and will be back on duty with same courage and valor soon. Deputy Commandant was a part of an encounter at Batmalu, Shopian, where he received gunshot injuries while leading the assault. He later managed to gun down one of the terrorists. Total 3 terrorists were neutralized in the encounter. US President Donald Trump said on Friday that he and First Lady Melania Trump have tested positive for the coronavirus, a development that is likely to affect his hectic election campaign. In a statement, Trump's physician Dr. Sean Conley said the president and the First Lady are both well at this time and they plan to remain at home within the White House during their convalescence. Trump's all engagements outside of the White House were cancelled. He was last seen in public on Thursday afternoon returning to the White House after a fundraising trip to New Jersey. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Friday appealed to local terrorists to shun the path of violence and promised them to help them with jobs and entrepreneurial opportunities. He was speaking after launching the 3rd phase of the Pioneering Back to Village program in militancy hotbed Shopian district in South Kashmir. The Lieutenant Governor said the administration will work hard to make Jammu and Kashmir one of the most developed union territories in the country.